Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is episode number 2 of You Asked, I Built YouTube show. And in this episode, I wanted to demonstrate the side-by-side comparison report functionality that I built based on the requirements that were provided on the Power Users forum. If you want to check solution or maybe extend it, source code is available inside my GitHub, and if you don't want to modify and you want to use it as is, you can use the managed version of solution. In this video, I won't show step-by-step development of this functionality because it could take hours and no one would be interested in the development process. So let me show you how it can be installed and configured, and it can be used inside your Dataverse instance. I created the vanilla instance of Dataverse, and now I will import managed version of solution into it. So I'm going to make powerapps.com. Don't forget to choose the proper environment, and I'm choosing import, and I'm pointing to the solution. I downloaded 2 downloads, and it is the solution that I want to import. Let's hit next and let's wait. One solution is imported. It is time to add the button to the ribbon of the entity you want to make comparison. So in order to do it, I'm opening Xrem Toolbox, and I plan to use Ribbon Workbench plugin of it. I don't have the connection configured over here, so I will do it now. Once connection is created, I can connect to an instance. The next step, I will just look for Ribbon Workbench, and I will open it. Before doing it, I have to provide the solution in which I will do modifications of the ribbon. So I will go to makepowerapps.com, open solutions, and click new solution. Here I will provide name. Let's say it will be just the account ribbon, because account is the entity I plan to use the comparison report with. I will use CD as default publisher. Generally speaking, I don't care, and I will create. Let's refresh. And this is our solution. I will jump inside, and I will click add existing table, and I will choose account. Click next, and I don't want to include anything into it. I will hit add. And now I will jump back to Xrem Toolbox, hit this refresh button, and now I can see this account ribbon solution in the dialog. So I will choose it. Once the Ribbon Workbench loaded the solution, I can start adding controls. So I will take the button and I will drag it nearby the merge button, and I will call it compare, and I will provide the button label as compare. The next step is to add the command. I will hit this plus sign, and I will rename the command to compare. Under action, I will hit add JavaScript, and I will look for web resource that is called AB_comparison report ribbon.js, and I will choose it, and as a function I will enter AB.comparison report.open report. As a first parameter, I will choose CRM parameter, and I have to pass the entity name that we are working with, and in this case this is selected entity type name. And I want to provide another one parameter, and it will be selected item, selected control, selected item IDs. This is the first part, and I have functionality that compares two records. I have to provide the functionality that will show the button only in situation when two records are selected. So I will go to this add enable rule, click it, and click add new enable rule. Here I will enter selected record count. For you it doesn't matter, there is no need to change it, there is no need to be exactly the same, so I just name it just for me. And I click add step and choose selection count rule, and because I want it to be exact 2, I will set maximum 2 and minimum 2. And the last step, I'm going back to the button, and under commands I choose the command that I just created. And the very last step is just to click publish and OK. So the ribbon was updated, and now it is the moment of truth. If I did everything the right way, I will see the new button and the report that will pops up on click on it. I will jump back to Dataverse. I will refresh the application just in case, and now I will select 2 records, and here is the button. Let's click it. On click, I see the new comparison report appeared. Just for usability purposes, I decided to introduce few filters that you can see at the top. So this filter controls, and by default it allows to see only the fields that have differences in values. So if I will untoggle this field, all fields will be shown for a particular entity type. Let's turn it back. The second option allows to show either all fields or just custom fields. So if I will choose it, it will leave only the custom fields here. And another one filter that I introduced here is the filter based on the field type. So let's say if you want to see only fields of string type, I will unselect all of those and I will leave just single line of text. I will leave the multi-select option set and I will see only string fields here. That's it for today. If you liked, set the like under the video and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, please feel free to leave the comment under the video why you didn't like it. And if you have any ideas regarding the functionality you want to see to be implemented, you can get in touch me using the Twitter, or again, you can leave the comment under this video. Thank you and see you the next time.